Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you this little fanny pack by JuJuBe. Fanny packs are all the rage right now, and it took me a really long time to find one that I thought would work for me. I know that the Lululemon one is super popular, but it looks too small, and if you've watched any of my other videos, I don't like things to be too tight. I like room inside of my bags because my kids are always handing me stuff, and so when I saw this new color released, I thought, now this looks like one that I might really enjoy. So I grabbed it. This is like a warm taupe color, and it almost has like a hue of mauve to it, which is my jam. I love a mauvey color. So anyway, let me change the angle and show you how it's all packed up. I typically wear this sling style, and look how cute. It just hits right there. There's plenty of strap length on it. Like, I don't have a single complaint about this bag. My family and I just went to Disney, and I wore this the entire time, and it was super convenient because my kiddos are spread out in age, so they're different heights. There were some rides that my son could go on that my other two kiddos couldn't, so if I was just hopping on a ride with him, I could wear this. It fit on every ride, and then I had my phone and my credit card and things like that just in case I would need it, and I didn't have to take the whole diaper bag or backpack with me. So anyway, enough rambling from me. I'm cutting myself off. Let's change this camera angle so I can show you what. So let's just start right here with this front pocket. In here I am just keeping a little case that has my business cards in it, and then you do have two zippers on either side here, and at first I thought they were just fake because I went to go in this way, but they are indeed pockets. So you can put something small up there like a chapstick or maybe even your AirPods, but obviously I don't have anything in them right now. Then on the back of the bag you do get a zipper here, and this is just where I've been keeping my phone, which that matches, super cute, I just realized that. And then in the bottom I just have my pens and a Sharpie and my Tide to Go pen, and that fit comfortably in there and is really easy to get into when you're wearing it on your body. Okay, so then moving to the main compartment of the bag, you do get double zippers here, which I love, especially when you're wearing it on your body. It was super easy getting in and out of this bag, and they are buttery smooth. So here's a peek at the inside. The lining is super cute. It has this floral or like mushroom lining. So I just have my basic essentials thrown in here. So right on the top I do have my wallet. This one is from Andar, and I really like it. It's the Denner wallet, and so I have my cards in here, and then all my extra cards go in the center here, and you get this little tab so that you can pull them up and access them, which is super convenient because sometimes it's hard to get into those pockets. Then down in here I just have my key, and this is the wristlet that comes with the wallet. So I really like that I can attach this to my keys, and then, you know, when I'm out with the kids, just throw it on my wrist or whatever. And then also in here I have my AirPods and a spare battery. This one's by Jackery, and I don't think that they make it anymore, but I really love it for its size, and it also has the cords included with it, so you don't have to worry about carrying extra cords, which I love. And then just in the bottom there I have a lip balm. So it is tiny but mighty. And then I did want to show you too, on the front wall of the bag you do get some card slots. I just prefer, because I don't use this every single day, it's more of a grab for when I don't have my kiddos with me. I prefer keeping my wallet in there instead. But as you can see, it holds all of the essentials. My sunglasses fit easily on the top when I'm out and about. So yeah, altogether I would highly recommend this bag. So that's it. That's everything I was keeping in my JuJuBe fanny pack. I will link this down below. I will leave links to the products I carry if I have them, but if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. I love chatting with you guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I really appreciate you being here, and I will see you in my next video.